Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm taking you on an exterior and interior tour and hill climb video of the 2023 McLaren Solus GT from the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed. This track-only car is one of just 25 in existence, and weighs just 1,000 kilograms thanks to its carbon construction. It's powered by a racing-derived, mid-rear mounted, naturally aspirated 5.2 litre V10 that can rev up to 10,000 RPM and produces 840 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. That output produces a 0 to 62 mph time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 200 mph or 322 km/h. Its clear aero was a major consideration when this car was being developed, which is why it produces 1,200 kg of downforce or 150 mph, more than the car weighs. Its fighter jet style canopy provides safety but also 180-degree view. Taking a brief look inside, we see the F1 inspired steering wheel that has a multitude of controls for things like drive mode, lights, pit limiter and ventilation. Behind this we find a padded bucket seat fitted against the tub. We can now see the car take on the Festival of Speed hill climb. So that concludes my exterior and interior tour and hill climb video of the 2023 McLaren Solus GT from the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.